Good morning, sir.
Good morning, students. Students, today I am going to explain about computer system. Students, do you know about computer? Anyone can able to explain computer?
Sir, can I say about computer?
Okay, Raman. Please say loudly.
Computer is a machine. It is used to calculate and or we can do many works.
Very good, Raman. Yes, of course, computer is a machine, but currently, according to the development, it can do multiple works. Computer full form is Common Oriented Machine, purposely used for education and research. This full form is very important. Please note it. First, they introduced a computer for only calculation purpose. The word compute means a calculating. But currently we are using computer in all the various field. This lesson we will learn about computer and its characteristics and the field where we are using computer. Raman, take first chapter, read characteristics of computer.
Speed, accuracy, storage capacity, versatile, reduce in manpower, reduce in paperwork, reliability.
Very good, Raman. Now I will explain about this one by one. First, speed and accuracy. Computer is a very high speed and it will perform all the work without any mistake. And computer speed is calculated by million instruction per second. Computer speed is depend on the CPU processor. If we want to talk about computer storage, computer can store a large amount of data in its memory and we can retrieve whenever we need. Versatile means a various tasks. A computer can perform various jobs in various fields. Example, in medical, trade, education, railway station, restaurant, shops, everywhere we are using computer. Reduction of manpower and paperwork. Already we know computer will work very fast with a high accuracy. At the same time, computer can perform the work of 4 5 people at the same time and more efficiently. Because of this, we can reduce the manpower and all the paperwork are done by in a system documentation work. So because of this, we can able to save the papers, all the data stored safely in a system, and whenever we need we can retrieve. This is the topmost advantages of the computer. Students, do you have any doubt in this characteristics of computer?
No, sir. Can I read next topic?
Okay, Raman, you can read next topic.
Limitation of computer. Limited ability to think depends on power.
First, limitations. Students, what is the limitations of computer? Do you have any idea? Can you able to say anything about limitations? Good. Limitations of computer means computer has limited rights. Already we know computer is just a machine. So user, we developed a computer with limited rights. First thing, Students, limitations of computer. Actually, limitations means humans we created computer with limited power. Just you think, computer can perform 100 or 1000 people's work at the same time, but only one machine. If it means if computer can able to computer can misused by anyone. Because of this particular reason, we developed a computer with limitations of power. First thing, limitations of computer. Computer not having brain. It can take decision based on owner instruction. Currently we are using AI. AI means artificial intelligence. Computer can able to think by itself and it will respond to us like a human. Latest artificial intelligent robot is Sophia. It is like a human being. It can able to think. Second point, dependence on power. Computer is an electronic device. So if power is discharged or battery is discharged or if electricity is not there, computer will not work. Okay students, learn limitations of computer and characteristics of computer. It is very important. Upcoming video we can see in which field we are using computer technology.